Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to navigate Coinbase Wallet. We'll begin by exploring the main dashboard, which offers an immediate overview of your cryptocurrency holdings. You'll quickly see your total portfolio value and a summary of your most recent activities. The intuitive navigation bar at the bottom is your gateway to all core functions, making it simple to move between sections like your assets, apps, and settings with just a tap or two. It's designed for straightforward use. Sending and receiving cryptocurrencies is a fundamental function. To send, simply tap the Send button, choose your asset, and enter the recipient's wallet address. Always double-check the address. A single incorrect character can lead to permanent loss of funds. For receiving, tap Receive to display your unique wallet address and QR code. You can easily share this with others, ensuring they send funds directly to your account. Precision is absolutely key in these transactions. Coinbase Wallet is your portal to the decentralized web. The built-in app browser allows you to explore and interact with thousands of decentralized applications, from DeFi protocols to blockchain games. You can securely connect your wallet to these platforms with just a few clicks. Furthermore, the wallet provides a dedicated section to view and manage your non-fungible tokens, or NFT, showcasing your unique digital collectibles in one convenient place. It's an exciting and expanding frontier. Protecting your assets is paramount. Always enable biometric authentication, like fingerprint or Face ID, for an extra layer of security. Crucially, back up your 12-word recovery phrase immediately and store it offline in a safe place. This is the only way to restore your wallet if your device is lost or damaged. Within settings, you can also customize network preferences, adjust transaction fees for faster or cheaper transfers, giving you full control over your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.